at this L bike, my wife Maria's special. Look here, spicy chicken fillets. And where am I? I am in Jazan, and the last time I had L bike was in Jazan in April 2017. 2nd of August, and it's 12:15. And this is the Red Sea on the right hand side for all my international friends. As you can see, there was a lot of rain on the way back to Darb. I will show you more. And this is the city of Jazan. Dunkin' Donuts, Baskin & Robbins, a beautiful mosque here on the right hand side. Central Jazan, here next to the Red Sea. On the right hand side is Al Bike. And look at the water here in the park. I'm now 150 kilometers away from Darb.
هذا فنان.
Good, كويس.
كويس. وين
Alhamdulillah.
Alhamdulillah.
Look at this, all this fish inside.
هذا موجود.
Mabruk. In the last 7, 8, 9 years, a lot of development in this city. Numerous international hotels, shopping centers, big buildings, businesses. A beautiful city here next to the Red Sea Mall, or the Red Sea coastline. Look at the countdown on the right hand top of the screen. 103, 102, 101, 100. Look at these road signs here on the top. We're turning left. Al Shukaik is 99, Al Leith 462, Jeddah 673 kilometer, Mecca 680, and Al Medina 1070. And this is the new international highway, Highway 5. This highway links Yemen in the south with Jordan in the north, and is about 2,200 kilometers long. And I have driven 1,900 kilometers. Let us look at the water and the rainwater damage. Well, we hope not too much, but the rainwater floods that we experienced in the last week, and specific Thursday and Friday. All along the road and on this Jazan pipeline, this type of erosion in the soft sand, the soft backfilled sand, is evident. And this is a wadi crossing right in front there where the water has filled up. But look at the erosion. This is the erosion on top of our pipe, and it's all along this pipeline. What has happened here is with this temporary sand bank here, it has blocked the wadi and it flooded this whole area. So drainage channels was required on Friday night and Saturday morning. And there again, the erosion and the amount of water. And this drainage ditch was Thursday night, was required Thursday night to drain the water. And the pipeline is here, around the corner. Look at that amount of water in the desert. You can see the trench that was digged on Friday night. That guy is still busy, so that we can have natural flow and drain this wadi. That's some of our equipment standing there in the water. And that's a mosque that was also flooded on Friday night. And look at the amount of water here, right on top of our pipeline. And then this is on the other side of the highway. Wow, a lot of water. Water in the desert. Amazing. That's our pipe. And this pipeline was cleaned a month ago. Internally cleaned. Now imagine, this pipeline must be full all the way to Shukaik. And these guys are the road builders. Let me turn around and show you what they are doing. But first of all, that is our piping route. There are some spools lying there, halfway buried. That one is 3/4 buried. You can see this wadi came down here with a very high velocity. This is the material that was cut because of the problems that we experienced from the January flood. And as you can see, what these road builders is doing, they're trying to recover this slope. There's a culvert. And they're doing it again with the soft sand. And this is soft sand. The next rain storm and the sand is gone again. And this is washout on the baseline KP32. And you can see the amount of erosion underneath that bridge. And this temporary road here was completely washed away. Completely. And for all my South African friends, when you come and visit me and you drive from Zizan and you reach this roundabout, this is the first roundabout and it's called the 2030 roundabout. This is the road that you have to take to get to my house. And there's a Toyota Capsula. Monday morning. Last night we had rain in the mountains, and this is the little wadi here through our town of Darb. Wow, this is a powerful Land Cruiser. They fitted the second engine. Interesting weather here in the Shukaika area. After 10 days of storms and rain and water floods, we have again a dust storm. Wow. Oops, look at the sand over the highway. Oops. Oops. Shit, it nearly caught me off guard. Hazards on, 30 kilometers an hour. And this is the reason. Yeah, the video is running. Wow, look at this. I can't see 5 meters ahead of me. Sometimes 2 meters, sometimes 1 meter. Nothing. Wow. And this is the road to our office. Look at the water on the road here. Tuesday, 4th of August, and this is 9 o'clock in the morning. And we are at pump station number 1. Beautiful rain here in the desert today. And this is after the rain this morning. And this is Darb Central after the rain of this morning.
يوم 2 أغسطس عند الكيلو 41 820 خط المجردة. العبارة انهارت، الماسورة زي ما حضرتك شايف مفيش منه خطورة، لأن ده كان الباركينج بتاع الطريق. في تقريبا بين الخط الأصفر والسيفت بتاعنا أكتر من 2 متر ونص، وبين السيفت بتاعنا وطرف الأسفل ورا. وبعد كده الماسورة الأبليفت بينزل إلى كيلو 41 500. كان في هناك عبارة. السلام عليكم. الأحد 2 أغسطس الساعة 3 جاري أعمال تأمين الطريق كيلو 41 800.
عمل الترانشنج تصريف المياه اسفل الكوبري.
السلام عليكم. طبعا هذه في خطورة الآن على الاسفلت، بدأت طبقة الاسفلت تنهار ويمكن أن يصير فيها مشكلة. أيضا هنا في ليفتنج أب، في ليفتنج أب برضو هنا، وهنا العبارة ظهر مرة من تحتها في البداية.